Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today with this 360 Pixie haircut view. Now this particular Pixie is more of like a super short and sweet variation. Very cute style. I really like how this emphasizes her cheekbones, just really makes it pop. And then we see someone with short hair, kind of like a Pixie. She has these really cute curls mixed in. So here she is at the salon. Oh, I love how much texture this Pixie has. So she did a cut refresh here. And then we see someone rocking out another Pixie variation. She's doing some styling here, giving it that messy, chic texture. And she has this gorgeous blonde color. Very cute. So here we have a two-toned finger wave Pixie. She's got some chocolate brown, reddish color mixed in with a blonde. I feel like this would be a really cute color for the fall season. Definitely something different and eye-catching. And then we have another red hot Pixie variation. Now, obviously, her entire head features this beautiful reddish color. The stylist is doing a nice Pixie here. Beautiful, choppy, layered texture. Gives it a lot of height and volume. And of course, that color is absolutely breathtaking. So cute. Kind of has that shaggy feel to it as well. And then we have someone who has this really pretty silver platinum color Pixie, followed by this gorgeous bob transformation. The stylist does some bangs in the front. And of course, we're seeing a lot of bangs with the bobs this season. Kind of adds a nice amount of texture to the hair. Very cute. And then we see a gorgeous Pixie with bangs, loving the red lip. Lots of texture in the back area, creating that volumized look and feel. So if you do have hair on the thinner side, a choppy Pixie is really going to add that texture, that height, that volume to your strands. So if you are thinking of going short and your hair is on the thinner side, definitely opt for a choppy, layered style Pixie. So here we have more of an undercut Pixie variation. I love this bold lavender shade she has here. Definitely a fun and unique color. The stylist or barber is also putting in some design detailing. And then we have another bob. Beautiful blonde color here, honey blonde. Nice amount of volume here. Look at that. The stylist gave her this beautiful feathered bang that just framed her face perfectly. Oh, this is so gorgeous. This is actually more of like a longer pixie or a pixie bob variation. So she has a lot of hair to play around with when it comes to styling. The color is gorgeous as well. So comment down below which hairstyle is your favorite. Here we have another soft bob. And if you are thinking of going shorter this season, are you opting for a bob look or more of a pixie style? So here we have a rather unique colored bob. So she has this really pretty salt and pepper color to her hair. Looks like a bit of lavender mixed in as well. And she's doing more of like a shaggy bob, so she is doing her own cut refresh. And you can see there just at the top, now that the hair is dry, she has a nice hint of lavender. Beautiful color. So here we have someone that looks like she has this gorgeous curly hair, beautiful honey blonde color. Getting a bit of deep conditioner here. And then the stylist goes into actually styling the hair. So curly pixies are very popular right now. We're seeing a surge in them. If you do have curly hair and you are thinking of going short, there's a lot of options that you can try out. Tapered cuts. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm loving the undercut here. Oh, so gorgeous. I love that color too. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.